Gracias. Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of the vlog. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Anda, and welcome. I hope you stay subscribed and become a gang. Guys, I think I saw a video you spend a day with me, but say already. Say just that I forgot to vlog. I forgot to start the vlog. Dear AVW for car shopping. Diyadlala sabaweli car shopping. No, I am going to a verification. The verifier in Utoza department Payana. Basically in Naizolo I did the verification. It started on Monday until Thursday. Gomso is Thursday, so Gomso is the last day of the verification. Kuyachisa emthatha, and bengena search on Google uba leliphi ixesha etshisa ngalo kakhulu emthatha kwathiwa nguFeb, and we are in Feb. Akutshisi man, it's scorching hot. One thing about the weather yasemthatha iyabaka. When it's hot, it's too hot, like too hot. Xa kunetha kuyanetha hayi kancinci. Xa kududuma hayi ke bathi kutsho izibhambisana gunshots left, right and center ziyatsho ile nto indudumo hayi kancinci. But today kuyatshisa shem, very hot. Ndibawela ne-ice cream yase-Steers, and mna xa nditye i-ice cream guys iba ngathi yonke into izoba right. Izohlangana izoba right now. Indinika ithemba ingase ngatya la ice cream yase-Steers, but I'll get it after in verification because andifuni into zondiphazamisa. Content. Lobola yam. Manzi lobola. Sana, it's too hot. The heat, the time now is around 2:30. I am done verifying more than 20 cars. Ndiya officini, take my bag and go straight endlini yam. Ngeke kaloku ndicheka ngakanelanga ndilinde u4:30. Ugovernment ngoku seyityabela amaxesha sana. Nditshe. It's too hot. I had cold water, but sana akuvakali ingathi aqale yabilizwa. I am sweating. When I get home funeka ndihlambe amanzi abandayo because sana, what is this? But ala manzi abandayo ke sana enza iflu because zothanga amanzi abandayo yatshisa ngomso kubande nje la on and off wemozulu nguye osenzela iflu. But ke so ibona kudala loo nto. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for my driver, and as bakutheni ehamba edlala uyadana uyancokola ngoku nabanye abantu apha e-VW because uyaziwa ke yena ke abantu balapha. Then andise officini to take my bag ndihambe ndiye endlini. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do guys. Ndiyanicela. Oh, and since last of last year, to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share i-video zam. Ne? And pin and scissor upper, I'll be collecting my car. And pin and scissor upper, I'll be collecting my new car. From my lips to God's ears. Bonke abakholwayo mabathi amen. Home time. I have been craving a slice of cake sase a cafe lang. I am finally getting it. Now I'm gonna get 75 rand, but I've been craving it.
Errands, ground floor. Iminyango iyavuleka, doors open.
Yeah, so I'm back here. Siya. Definitely. Sorry po sir. Ka anda ba to? Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of the vlog. I just got my parcel. I just got my parcel delivered. Today it is a Wednesday and I placed this order on Saturday. And what do you mean it's here already? Because it's from Cape Town. It's Cape Town the order, and today it's Wednesday. This order is from Refinery, and I only discovered about Refinery in December. Refinery Kids in December. I don't know about Refinery section near Bantwana, and if you have a toddler, run to Refinery. There's up to 75% off, I think. Yes, sale. There's up to 75% off because there's this jacket that I really love for my daughter. It's only 2 items though that I really love for my daughter, and there's the colors as a Refinery. Very nice colors. And the jacket in about December, it was 399 rand. That's 400 rand. Linda. And now I got it for 150 rand. I kid you not guys, 150 rand. If you have a toddler, run to Refinery. They still have the sale because I placed mine on Saturday, and today it is a Wednesday. And it is here. Finally, they are here. I'm excited over the order. I am always excited. And whoever came with the idea of online shopping, oya winner sana. Oya winner. Because Mtata, they don't have toddlers clothes go Refinery. There's 2 Refinery now. Anna's never, I should open it with you on the Linden so that Mtana must go into is sold. I don't know. Sana, I can't be the only one who gets excited over a your parcel has arrived message. I can't be the only one. Right now, I am so distracted because I received that one message. Your parcel has arrived. It's my parcel from Willis. Then it got delivered at a Paco pickup point, which is Ubez Mtata. Willis uses that Paco pickup point. I only chose Ubez because ukufutshane nendlela that's going home after work. So after work, I'll go and collect that. I'm so excited. It's not even my parcel. It's not mine. It's my daughter's parcel. Now, Kona, I think it's 5 items. I'm not sure, but in India says that it's 2 pairs of shoes, and tights. We order some sort of banana tights for my daughter because she's a girl. She's just a girl. Maybe I'm overprotective. Maybe I'm overprotective because umntana son every time in the there's gonna be a tight underneath. Nobang tight umfuchan, nobang tight omde. She always has her tights on. And besides being overprotective, eskoleni must buy his lights. So those lights and loqui. Uzozidlala njani because akazoslide kakuhle akho nto imqume amathanga imilenze and all that. So yeah, I always make sure. And Karang Sisi Paku TikTok who said exactly the same thing, and I just watched the video yakhe uyatshona ukuba umntana akho soloko umnxibiza tight underneath nelokhwe, and to me it has always been like that. Okwayeka iniphi, it's always tights and a dress. Tight, I pair a dress with a tight. So I'm going to Bez after work. I'm so distracted right now, and there's isn't deciding up and not go and get it. There's tiny deliveries, there's tiny parcels. Guys, they make me happy. Naba I yam, naba yam. I will get happy anyway because unboxing, sana, it gives that, and yes man, yeah, police umoya.